Welcome to Boost. Here's how to accept or decline student applications. Click on the Programs tab in Partner Portal. Then click on the program you are looking to review applications for. At the top right, you'll see a application summary section. Click on the View Applications tab. At the top of the applications page, in the Filter by Status drop-down menu, select Submitted, which will show you all applications that need a response. To accept or decline a student, click on their name. On the right, you'll see their application responses. On the left, you'll see 3 ways you can respond to the application: accepted, declined, or no change. To accept the student, click Accepted and then click Save. Once you click Save, it will trigger an email or text message to the parent that says, "Congratulations, your child's been accepted," and that the program will reach out. You or your team will then need to follow up with the parent. It's your responsibility to reach out and make sure the student gets onboarded. The students you accept will be enrolled in your Partner Portal program with their demographic info and consent form responses ready for attendance. After accepting a student, you'll notice changes to their application page. Under the Program Application Updates section and the Family Notifications section. Each time you update the status of an application, the family will be notified, except for when you select the No Change option. When declining a student, you'll need to write in a note explaining why you declined that student. When you click Save, it'll trigger an email or text message to the parent saying, "Sorry, your child has been declined, but still being considered at other programs," and for them to wait for further notification. If the parent only completed an application for one program and gets declined from that program, they will then need to log back into Boost to sign their student up for other programs. The program that they were declined from will not show up in their options to apply for. When you decline a student, they will appear on the program list at their next ranked choice. If they do end up accepting a program somewhere else, you will see registered elsewhere as a status. You can click into their application and see under program application update and also under select and rank programs where they ended up. If you are not ready to change the application status, you can select no change, where you can also leave a note for your colleague. Then click Save.